In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run product strategy rituals using Basecamp. Even though Basecamp doesn't ship with roadmaps or specialized product modules, you can still run a tight, strategic process by mapping your rituals onto its flexible tools and borrowing a rhythm from ShapeUp. The goal is to make strategy a visible, repeatable practice instead of a string of ad hoc decisions. Start by deciding which rituals matter for your team and set a cadence you'll stick to. Most teams benefit from regular vision check-ins monthly or quarterly, idea shaping and prioritization sessions, explicit betting moments where you decide what gets resourced next, cycle kickoffs to start work cleanly, retrospectives to learn, and quick alignment check-ins with stakeholders so no one is surprised. Define the outcome of each ritual ahead of time, such as a list of ready pitches or a single bet, and keep the focus on decisions, not just discussion. Next, set up a Basecamp team for product strategy. A team space persists indefinitely, making it perfect for ongoing work. Use it as the home for strategic discussions, idea pitches, roadmap drafts and decisions, and syncs between product leaders and stakeholders. Message boards are where you document agendas, decisions, and vision notes, so they're easy to reference later. Docs and files is where strategy docs, planning sheets, and reference material live. Campfire is handy for quick back and forth during live discussions, while decisions and summaries still get captured on the message board to create an institutional memory. For the idea pitch and shaping ritual, treat message board threads as your pitch format. Write a clear problem, a proposed solution, and the business context. Tag these threads with a distinct category like pitch so they're easy to filter. Invite collaborators to comment asynchronously to refine scope, note risks, and surface alternatives. Because everything stays in a single thread, the history of how an idea evolved remains searchable and shareable. Once you've chosen what to build, move from strategy to execution with cycle kickoff and delivery projects. Create a new Basecamp project for each cycle or piece of work, and prefix the title with the cycle name like Cycle 2025 Q1 Feature X, so it's simple to scan. Add only the delivery team to keep the space focused. Post a kickoff message that links to the shaped pitch and clarifies goals and constraints. Break the scope into to-dos so ownership is clear, and use hill charts to visualize progress from unknowns to done. Keep updates on the message board and adjust the hill chart regularly to surface risks early. Close each cycle with a brief retrospective captured in the team space, snapshot decisions at betting moments, and keep your naming and categories consistent. Over time, you'll build a reliable rhythm from idea to delivery, fully within Basecamp.